Hello, third graders. This is Miss Taylor, and the Earth is an amazing place, isn't it? So, thinking about our Earth, what natural events influence the ecosystems in our world? And what human events influence ecosystems in our world? Let's take a look at all of the different things that happen that can hurt ecosystems and the organisms that live there, or possibly help organisms live in their ecosystems. Let's talk about human behaviors first. Human behaviors affect organisms, plants and animals, and their habitats. Human actions can negatively affect the survival of plant and animals in an ecosystem. Here are some examples of human actions. Polluting, that could be the water, the air, or the soil. Clearing large plots of land to build neighborhoods or plant crops. So all of the farms that are built in order to have the room to plant all of the food in the fields on farms, habitats, possibly a forest or other habitat, was cleared with the trees cut down. Also, when we build roads, neighborhoods, businesses, lots of trees and other types of habitats for animals are cut down and cleared to make way for humans to build. Humans also put chemicals on their lawns and in their gardens. Over-fertilizing those lawns causes pollution, or not using safe ways of fertilizing their lawns and gardens. Burning fossil fuels. The use of fossil fuels and other non-renewable resources can cause air pollution. Also, humans can make choices to reduce their impact on an environment or even clean it up. So as we continue in this unit, we're going to learn a lot more about pollution and how we can prevent it or clean it up. Other events affect ecosystems also, not just humans. Natural events affect ecosystems. Natural events can harm organisms in an environment. Examples of natural events are earthquakes, forest fires, tornadoes, hurricanes, floods, coastal erosion, and disease. Humans cannot eliminate natural occurrences, but they can take steps to reduce their impact. So we can't stop a hurricane from happening, can we? But we can take steps that can prevent or reduce damage from them. Think about forest fires. Forest fires can clear a forest and help make the soil more fertile for new plant life to grow. Fires can be a natural disaster or the effect of human impact. So that means fires could be started by a natural cause, like lightning strikes, or humans could start those fires on accident. And sometimes they're even starting fires on purpose to do a controlled burn. So forest fires can sometimes help, but other times can be very harmful, especially if they burn into communities or towns. We are going to be learning more about natural events as well. Conserving limited resources. Conservation is the careful use and preservation of our natural resources. Humans need to help conserve limited resources. People can conserve resources by using less electricity, using less water, and using solar, wind, or hydro or water power. So if we just use what we need, that is called conservation. we're going to be learning about the many ways that you can conserve natural resources and other things that you can do that can help the environment. Thinking about natural resources, conserving our natural resources. So conserving soil is important. Since soil takes a long time to form, it should be conserved and not wasted. You can conserve soil by planting trees, grass, and flowers to prevent soil erosion, right? Because those plant roots hold the soil in place so it can't wash away by water or blow away in the wind. Not overwatering and washing away nutrients. So if we're watering our garden or our lawn, we don't want to give it too much water because that could wash the soil away also. And conserving water. Our water on Earth is limited. Pollution reduces the amount of usable water. Therefore, the supply should be conserved carefully. Watch the video to learn more with Miss Monroe.